Hola everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, tell me what you want to see, tell me what you want to hear, all that good stuff, but just don't forget to subscribe. If you are somebody coming back, thank you guys so much for your continuous support. I love you, I appreciate you. Once again, I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy at home during these crazy times right now. Thinking of everyone and sending many blessings to everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing the BoxyCharm base unboxing. Now, I know last week, a couple of days ago, I put out the premium one. So if you haven't seen that, I'm going to link a little thing somewhere up here. That way you guys can click that after this video and you guys check out what I got in May's premium box. So this one is BoxyCharm base box. So this one is a little bit smaller. This one does retail at $25. It's basically a monthly a monthly subscription box for $25 that entails 5 to 6 full-size products, anything that has to do with beauty, makeup, skincare, and a little bit of lifestyle now they have in there here and there. So the weight of this box is 1.4 pounds. 1.4 pounds for anybody who does want to know, because I know some of you guys do want to know. I'm going to go ahead and open up this box, and this is what she looks like. On the premium box, I actually did not get a little card, so it's kind of annoying. I had to look up everything separate, but this one did come with it. This one for this month says that the theme is called Mother Nature, which I love. I love how groovy that looks. And the variation box for this one is a 10. So let me go ahead and jump straight to it. Opening up right here, I have something by the brand Glam Glow. This is called Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. This is what the packaging looks like. I actually did choose this as one of my items for this month. So let me go ahead and open it up for you guys. Okay, it looks like yogurt if you kind of look at it. I don't want it to spill, but yeah, it kind of moves a little bit. It's kind of like a lavender color. Okay, doesn't smell too strong. Actually, it smells kind of good. And yeah, it definitely is like a lavender color. You can kind of see it right there. Okay. It actually really just feels like a moisturizer. It's really, really nice smelling though. It's definitely fruity, definitely smells like berries. And let me go ahead and let you guys know what that retails at. That one retails at $49. Jeez. And it basically says it's a creamy, nutrient dense, smoothing mask with antioxidant rich berries and probiotics that instantly boost skin's health, restores radiance, and balanced skin. So yeah, I'm obviously not going to put that on my skin because I do have some makeup on, but I will definitely be trying that. I actually do like Glam Glow's products, so I'm excited for that. Moving on, we have something here. Actually, you know what? Let me leave this one for last. Hold on. Moving on, we have something here by the brand Baddington Lashes. So obviously there's some lashes. I'm going to go ahead and open these up. Ooh, these are pretty. It actually comes with like a little glue. It's a nice little packaging. It comes with little glue and the 2 lashes right there. And this one says that it retails at $31. This is actually a 3D lash that provides dramatic length and volume. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I am not going to be trying those on right now because I'm just home chilling and I don't feel like putting lashes on. So I'm going to save this for the weekend. But what I am going to do is I'm going to instill somewhere over here a picture of someone wearing the lashes that you guys can actually see and get a feel for them. But I have heard that these lashes are very pretty, they're dramatic, and they're 3D, so that's a win. Next on here, we have something by the brand Pretty Vulgar. This is the packaging. I always like Pretty Vulgar's colors because they're usually like pastel colors, and this is like a little baby pink packaging. And this one is the Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. This one retails at $22, and it says that it is a blendable, lightweight skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows. So basically, it's supposed to be crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish, and suitable for all skin tones. Once again, I won't be putting it on my eyes, but I will go ahead and do like a little test for you guys. Oh, okay, it has like a little color. I know some of them are clear, some of them are white, but this one has like a light coloring to it. Texture, oh, you know what? It's a little thicker than I thought. Okay, kind of reminds me of like the Morphe ones because they're yeah, it's more thicker. It's not as soft, but it seems like if you let it sit for a minute, it will make the eyeshadow stick. So no scent to it other than like your usual product smell. So okay, I'm excited to try this Pretty Vulgar. That's number 3. And then here, I'm excited for this one. This is something by House Laboratories. Laboratories or Laboratories? However you say that. But this is a liquid eyeliner in the color Punk. And this one retails at $20. It's supposed to be long wearing liquid eyeliner with no tugging or flaking. Yeah, we'll see. But anyway, yeah, let me go ahead and try to open this. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so the packaging looks like this. It almost looks like a pen or something, but it's matte. As you can see, the packaging is very, very beautiful. Yeah, anything that she creates is also really, really cool. So I always smell everything, but this kind of like the felt tip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and create some lines. Okay, all right. So your typical liner, I'm gonna go ahead, is very black, very nice. I don't know if this is actually supposed to be matte. It doesn't say it on here. I thought maybe due to the fact that the packaging is matte, but that just might be the packaging. Let me give it a minute, let it dry, and then I'll try to see how long it takes for it to come off, and I'll let you guys know, because I'm not gonna put it on my eyes right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing the 1, which is the one that I skipped because I waited for this one on purpose. That way I can try to remove some of the stuff off my face and see if this works. So moving on to this one right here. This is by the brand Tarte, and this is my Stellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. It retails at $18. Basically, it says that it's a no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oil and impurities without stripping your natural skin. So the packaging on this is so pretty. I love it. Anything Tarte, I don't know why the packaging always gets me. It's so cute. And this is what she looks like. Nice, clear. It kind of has like a little tropical background to it, and the top just opens up like that, and it looks like one of those little nail polish things with the acetone that you go when you go get your nails done, which I have not gotten done in a while. I know you guys have seen them already. So I came ready because I already knew that this was going to be in here. So I want to go ahead and just try to see if well, first off, let's smell this, because I don't like putting anything on my face that doesn't smell right. Hold on. It usually takes a couple of, oh shoot, okay, pumps. Okay, definitely a water consistency. Doesn't smell like anything. No, not really anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and blot this here. Woo. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and obviously I have some makeup here, so let's go ahead and remove this. Okay, oh yeah, I could definitely tell. The makeup's here, and my face, as you can see, it definitely looks like I have taken a chunk of makeup on. I don't have too much makeup on my cheeks though, but it definitely works. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to see how well the House Lavatory one works, because it does say that it's full wear. So I'm going to take the rest of this micellar water that's on here and just kind of wipe away and see. Okay, I did 2 wipes so you guys can see, and this is what's left over of it. So I know I personally sweat a lot, so sometimes it's hard to find a good liner that kind of stays on your eyes, but it does have some on it. Obviously this is supposed to be for removing makeup, so it's a little bit stronger, but I just kind of want to test it out anyway. So let me go ahead and remove the rest of that, and there's still like a little bit of it on there. But this micellar water is actually very good because it did indeed take off some of my skin, some of my makeup off my skin and the eyeliner. So that's pretty dope, man. I like it. All right, so overall, let's go ahead and go through everything that I got today. I would have to say that this is my #1. I know that I definitely will be using this for a fact. Next, I'm going to be going on to Glam Glow because, like I said, I do like their products. I like the way this smells, and I cannot wait to try it. #3, I would have to go with, I don't know, this is a tough one. Okay, #3, I would have to say maybe the eye primer, because I do like their products, and this did feel like it's tacky enough that's gonna make your stuff sit. And then I would have to go with the eyeliner because I just love black eyeliner, and I really wanted to try her brand in particular, so I'm excited about that. And lastly, the lashes. I have never really tried the brand, so it's hard for me to kind of say whether I like it or not, but if and when I do try them out, I will let you guys know if you guys are interested. So this would probably be the last one on my list, but not for a particular bad reason, just because I don't really know too much about them. So overall, I like the box. This is the base box you have to take into consideration. So it's only $25 a month, and I'm going to tell you right now what the total of the retail box is. Okay, so after adding everything up, the retail of this box is $140. So obviously, like I said, it's not bad considering you're only paying $25, and the products are nice, they're diverse. You got a little bit of skincare, you got a little bit of creams, a little bit of everything, so it's nice. I'm definitely not mad about it, but You guys let me know what you think. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you like the base versus the premium one? Don't forget to go check out that premium BoxyCharm unboxing. I will post it once again up here, so check it out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for sitting with me and opening up this box today. I have much more unboxings to come up here soon, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Hit the likes, comment, let me know if you guys want to see anything in particular, anything else, just let me know. Holla at your girl. Holla at your girl. Everyone have a great day. Thank you guys so much. Mwah. Stay safe, y'all. Ciao.